Yo guys, the time has arrived, you feel me dog? It is time now that I do a young setup tour, you feel me dog? So in this video I'm just gonna show you my budget gaming / streaming setup, you feel me dog? Something minimal, you feel me dog? Because me, I don't have high-end items. Please like the video, subscribe. Let's reach 500 subscribers guys. Please, let's go to the community, you feel me dog? Support your boy Lagstar. Your boy Lagstar mushimana mulelele yamutsuka mala mangolengwele Lagstar Rizi Lagstar Nyanya. Dango sis, thank you. This is my current setup. Something minimal, something nice. I stream my game on this thing. I'm only using one PC. No high-end items. Like I said, it's a budget thing. So yeah, man. Starting first, let's start with my PC. Number one, this is my PC over here. This is my brain. My brain, Mpanaka. If it wasn't with this thing, I don't think I would have had everything I have right now. So we're gonna start with the PC, you feel me dog? With the PC, we have this PC. I built the PC myself back in 2025, you feel me dog? Around December I built this PC. The total cost was 10,800, but at the time, remember, the RAM prices were cheap, because with my RAM I bought the RAM for 1,100. Nowadays, the very same RAM is going for 3K, and mind you, it's a 16 gig RAM, you feel me dog? And then, number two, my monitor, my main monitor. Mind you, I have two monitors, but I will start with my main monitor. My main monitor, I bought this monitor for 3,200, 100 Hz monitor. Micro did me bad with the monitor. I didn't buy this monitor, but then they sent, I think they swapped the orders, and then I ended up having this monitor, but it's fine because the cost were the same. Plus I needed an agent monitor. So this is my monitor, a Samsung Essential S3 monitor, 100 Hz, 24-inch, you feel me dog? Going to my second monitor. This second monitor I got it from my uncle. It was for free. Well, it was not for free. Basically, I had a PC case that I bought for 500, and then we did a exchange, you feel me dog? It's a 75 Hz 1080p monitor. With this one also, it's a 1080p monitor, IPS panel. This one is a 1080p. I don't know whether it's an IPS or VA or TN panel. I just don't know with this one. And then going to my preparables.
What did you say?
Oh yeah, English is depleting now. To my preparables or accessories, rather say, let me say my accessories. We have the keyboard. It's an AJS keyboard, you feel me dog? A wireless keyboard, but it has 3 connections. It's either you can go for USB, use a dongle, or Bluetooth, you feel me dog? It works with Mac and Windows, you feel me dog? It's a wireless keyboard. RGB, it has a software where you can change the lighting and whatsoever. If you wanna buy this, you can maybe get it on AliExpress. Yeah, AJS, you can find it on AliExpress. And also we have a stream dock. Whenever I'm streaming, usually you don't have to be a streamer to buy this thing, you feel me dog? You can just buy it for simple shortcuts and hotkeys. For me, you can see I can open DaVinci, do some cards, pause and what. And then over here I have Discord, YouTube, SteelSeries, GGs. I have all my sound effects for when I'm streaming, feel me dog? So yeah man, you can still get this one also on AliExpress. Remember, the brand is AJS, but for me, I got this two from a guy called JS on TikTok. Shout out to him. He sent these things as a gift. They were a gift from him. Going again to my let's see, my mic. So I'm currently using this condenser mic. I think it's a condenser, yeah, mic from my uncle. It's not mine like permanently, it's just borrowing me the mic. I still have this mic over here. I still have my own mic over here. This mic is at the Moano DGM20. Bought it on Tigalot for 700 on Tigalot. For 700 on Tigalot. You can go get it. It's a mic. But for me, because I don't have a mic arm or a mic boom, so the mic is way too far. You feel me, dog? It has a short stand, so whenever I speak, the quality isn't that great, like great, but you can still go for it. If you are only starting to stream now, you feel me, dog, you have to go on a budget. So yeah, man, about this mic, it's a Dixon mic. My uncle uses a Dixon mic. I think it's less than 500, because Dixon things from Crash Crusaders are going way cheaper. You feel me, dog? They are cheaper, they are now. And then go with my mouse. Also got this mouse from JS. This mouse, don't know the name, because think also got it from AliExpress. The mic is nah. You can just change the DP over here. You feel me? Increase the mouse sensitivity on the PC. There's a wheel. There's 2 customizable buttons. You feel me? You can just set them as hotkeys. And then it has up to 4 connections: Bluetooth 1, Bluetooth 2, Bluetooth 3, and then dongle. You feel me, dog? And it has a wheel over here. I don't use the wheel. It's a great mic. It's a mouse. So it's a great mouse. For a controller, I have 2 controllers. The first controller is an Xbox, a green Xbox Series controller. King Eddie bought it for me, a great guy from France. And then this one is an 8BDO controller. It's a now controller. I've been using this one. The controller is at my friend's. The Xbox controller is at my friend's place, but I like using this one because it has hollow effect sticks, meaning does not have stick drift, and also it has multiple connection. You can just connect it wirelessly via a dongle. The dongle is inside, or you can simply connect the dongle via a USB here, so, or you can connect via USB C type. You feel me? It's rechargeable plus. That's why I like it, unlike the Xbox controller. But the Xbox controller, it is still a great controller. There's my Wi-Fi. I'm using a 5G Wi-Fi. Unfortunately, in my area we don't have fiber, so I have to stream using that thing. And then as for my webcam, I'm using a Hikvision webcam from Takealot. Got it for 500. It's a 1080p webcam, 30 fps. This is my second webcam. I had a webcam called a Riser Kio. It was a great webcam. I still want the webcam right now, but it's just that mine is broke. Mine broke. So yeah, man. And then as for lighting, I'm using this light over here. Body don't take a lot for 270. I think it's called a video for professional photographer light. You feel me, panel. So yeah, man, I just use it whenever I'm streaming. Straight to my face. The light goes straight to my face, and then the webcam over there is in now. Now, going for my chair. This chair, obviously, I got it from a lady in the same street. As you can see, the chair is no longer cheering. There's a lot of tear over here. There's a lot of tear, so I got the chair for free. And for my headsets, I'm using Crash Crusaders headsets. These are Crash Crusaders headsets. Got them for less than 300. The mic quality isn't great, so I just used them because they were they had ear cup. You feel me? Ear cup cushions. I like these things. They are comfortable, but the sound quality isn't great. So I will rather buy IEMs. I think next time I will buy IEMs, but they are still great if you are on a. But yeah, man, if you are on a budget. And also, what's that? The table. Now for the table, I got it as a gift from Casper Invest. You feel me, dog? The rapper. I got this table from him. He bought the table for me. Got it on Takealot. It was 2,600 or 2,700. It came out with a monitorizer, but I removed it because everything was high. Like I said, I still need monitor arms. There is the monitorizer over there. You feel me, dog? So yeah, man, this is my setup over here. I stream, I game, I do everything on this setup. This is just a minimal setup, man. Nothing expensive, nothing too much. But just know that if you wanna build the same PC as mine, because I'm using a 16 gig RAM, a Ryzen 5 5500 CPU, an RX 6600 GPU, 8 gig GPU. It's gonna be expensive now because the RAM, like I said, it's expensive. I'm using a 1 TB NVMe. Storage is expensive now. The storage is expensive now. As for cable management, cable management, but I'm still looking for cable ties. The cable management is not looking nice, it's not appealing, you feel me, dog? And then under this table over here, we have my old laptop, you feel me, my old laptop. Nothing much. My old controller, which is a Red Dragon controller. I have a box, my power supply box. I put all my old wires and HDMI cables inside of there. And yeah, man, this is what you get when you enter my room. This is my room. When you enter my room, don't mind my bed. When you enter my room, this is what you see: a young, beautiful, minimal budget gaming / streaming setup. So dango bafethu, please don't forget to subscribe to your boy Lagstar. Let's hit 500 subscribers. Road to 500 subscribers. Subscribe, like and share. Dango, love you guys.